Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Thera-Rain Mask is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions currently available for anyone looking to enhance their skincare routine with advanced technology, offering a unique combination of therapeutic benefits and user-friendly design that sets it apart in a crowded market of beauty devices. Number 5. 10 PCS White Cat Therian Masks. Get ready for a perfectly fun time. These white cat masks are ideal for any occasion, from masquerades to costume parties. Add a touch of mystery to your next masquerade ball. These masks offer a unique and playful look for adults and children alike. Make your Halloween costume unforgettable. These Therian masks are a fantastic choice for creating a captivating and whimsical character. Step into the world of cosplay with these versatile cat masks. They are perfect for bringing your favorite characters to life. Ensure everyone gets in on the fun with this pack of 10 masks. They are a great addition to any kid's costume party or event. Designed for comfort and endless play, these masks are lightweight and easy to wear. Let your imagination run wild. What we like? This pack offers great value with 10 masks, perfect for parties or events. They are designed with kids in mind, making them a fun and easy choice for young ones. If you're planning a large gathering or need multiple masks for children, this is an excellent option for instant fun. What people say. The masks are lightweight, comfortable to wear, and made with great quality materials. The smooth surface makes it easy to add colors, glitter, markers, or any creative designs. They are a thick cardboard-like material, so pretty sturdy. It is super strong and they all came together in 10. We bought these 2 to 3 times because they were really good for her. They are also easy to add felt and accessories too. Number 4. HAOAN Fox Wolf Tail Paw Glove Set. Transform into your favorite woodland creature with this realistic animal costume set. Perfect for Halloween or any costume party, it's sure to make a statement. This set includes a detailed mask, a bushy tail, and comfortable paw gloves. It provides everything you need for a complete and convincing animal look. Designed for adults, this costume set offers a comfortable and adjustable fit. Get ready to roam the night in style and comfort. Crafted with attention to detail, the mask, tail, and gloves are made from durable, high-quality materials. You can enjoy wearing it for many occasions to come. Whether it's Halloween, a costume party, or just for fun, this animal set is a fantastic choice. It's versatile and guarantees a memorable experience. Putting on and taking off this costume is a breeze. You'll spend less time getting ready and more time enjoying your animal persona. What we like? This set provides a complete animal transformation with a mask, tail, and paw gloves. It's designed for adults looking for an immersive costume experience. If you want to fully embody a fox or wolf for Halloween or a costume party, this is the ideal choice for a cohesive look. What people say. The mask is very comfortable and fits well. It effectively blocks out light, making it great for sleep. The adjustable strap ensures a secure and personalized fit. Number 3. White Fox Mask DIY Animal Masquerade. Get ready to transform this plain white mask into your own unique masterpiece. It's the perfect canvas for your imagination. Design your own animal-inspired look for any masquerade event. This mask is ready for your personal artistic touch. Elevate your Halloween costume or masquerade party attire. This accessory is sure to make a statement. Whether you're a wolf, a fox, or any creature you dream up, this mask is the ideal base for your cosplay. Crafted for durability and ease of customization, this mask is ready to be painted and decorated to match your vision. Start your next DIY project with this versatile mask. It's an excellent choice for crafters and costume enthusiasts alike. What we like? This mask is a blank canvas, allowing for complete creative freedom. You can paint and decorate it to match any character or theme. If you enjoy crafting and want a truly one-of-a-kind mask for cosplay or masquerade events, this is perfect for unleashing your artistic side. What people say. It has held up well and is very comfortable. Waterproof too. Great for canines, like the silver fox. Worked well and stayed on for my highest quad jumps. It feels a bit cheaply made. I like the foam paste above the eyes. It allows me to wear it over my glasses. Number 2. NUOBESTY White Paper Face Masks. Discover the blank canvas for your imagination. These white paper masks are perfect for any creative project you have in mind. Easily decorate these masks for a unique look. They are ideal for painting, drawing, or adding embellishments to make them truly your own. Elevate your next masquerade, Halloween, or cosplay event. These masks provide a fantastic base for stunning costumes and party favors. Get creative with the included cat style. It's a fun and playful design that can be customized further for a perfectly unique accessory. This set comes with 10 individual masks, offering great value. You'll have plenty for a group activity or multiple events. Crafted from quality paper, these masks are lightweight yet durable. They are comfortable to wear and easy to work with for all your crafting needs. What we like? Get a pack of 10 blank paper masks, perfect for group craft activities or large DIY projects. The paper material is easy to work with for painting and decorating. If you're looking for an affordable way to create multiple custom masks for a class, party, or event, this offers endless creative possibilities. What people say. Blank slate-eyed, perfect for adding decorations of all kinds and lots of color. They hold the acrylic paint well without running. They are beautiful as a finished product. Holds paint well, cool looking, colors appear vibrant, works well when decorating with glue, comes with pre-attached elastic bands. Number 1. GSHLLO 3 PCS DIY Paintable Blank Masquerade Cat Masks. Get ready to express yourself with these blank masquerade masks. Perfect for any occasion, they are your canvas for imagination. With a simple white surface, these masks are designed for your personal touch. Let your creativity flow and design something truly unique. Whether it's Halloween, a dance party, or a masquerade, these masks are the ideal accessory. They're sure to make your event unforgettable. Crafted from quality pulp, these masks offer a comfortable fit for extended wear. You'll love how they feel as much as how they look. This set includes 3 masks, giving you options for yourself and friends. Share the fun and create coordinated looks for your next gathering. Easily transform your appearance for cosplay, parties, or themed events. These masks provide a fantastic base for any character or costume. What we like? This pack includes 3 pulp masks, ideal for smaller DIY projects or personal use. The pulp material provides a good base for painting and detailing. If you're interested in a more hands-on approach to mask creation for a specific event or just for fun, these offer a great starting point for your artistic vision. What people say. My 11-year-old daughter loves painting or gluing things in her masks. It's professional-like and one can make an excellent custom too using these. It's cool for little kids and teens or adults. It's very good for Therians, they love them. Guys, stop hating these masks, they're perfect. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.